I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Describe the Indian thing. What's that mean? They want to take, like, is it because if you talk about how India was prior, I mean, I know about the issue with Pakistan, so what they're trying to take over all of these countries in the region.
Yeah. Well,
Gosh.
so if I understood your question correctly, so Akhand Bharat is the words are Sanskriti. They come from Sanskrit language or Sanskrit textures. So scripture, sorry. And so when we think about that, that's the idea behind it is actually very old. However, India was once called Bharat, and of course,
Mhm.
they wanted to change it back to Bharat. This is also something that the BJP party, the Janata Party, basically Indian People's Party, they wanted to bring up further, just like Modi. This is something that he wanted to change back to. However, it's still in talks about they haven't done it yet. However, the thing about Akhand Bharat, that's basically taking over Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, uh, even Kashmir, of course, because that's right in the middle. I would say the entire South Asia, that would be Akhand Bharat.
Indonesia as
And
well? It
I'm not really
couldn't.
sure about that. No, not Indonesia.
It
I wouldn't say
couldn't.
that. But you could if in any case you Google it, I'm pretty sure they even show maps of it.
Yeah,
Just like
they
for
do.
example, just like Netanyahu suggests
Yeah.
stuff in UN and all that stuff. And so you can sort of see how that nationalistic movement is as big as Israeli movement, and that's where someone could compare the Hindutva movement with Zionism.
Wow.
Yeah. And I think it's interesting as well that they have Kashmir Plan 2035. That's when they expect to have changed the demographic. That's their ambitions. But of course, another one of their ambitions, which Point was talking about there, is for them to get this idea of Greater India back, which includes some part of the China administered part as well. Now, this is interesting because if they surely know Pakistan has nuclear capabilities. Obviously, India themselves have nuclear capabilities, but so does China. And so, where you hit that point where India will really be pushing, or at least rhetorically wise, they are essentially challenging each of these countries to some kind of conflict
Yes.
to settle the matter. Yeah.
Maria, do you have a question or two or three before I ask my last two questions?